Hi, this is Bonnie from Shanghai Langjue Mould. Today, I would like to show you our workshop for silicon wax molding. Okay, as you can see here, this is already finished silicon wax molding, and after it for cooling down for 1 hour, we would open it and make the products. And this is our mold. We are making some modification for the mold. And this is our vacuum injection machine, where we put the liquid raw material into the silicon vacuum mold. Okay. Also, it is also the vacuum injection machine. And those three are ovens. When we have the plastic injected into our mold, we put the products here for the heat up. Okay. Yeah. This is a warehouse for all kinds of silicon vacuum molds we made here. To sum up, silicon vacuum molding can be used to make for prototyping with a very with a small quantity and with a relatively cheaper price.